Hello, beautiful creative people. Please welcome our new sewing pattern for making beautiful Dakota top with cute bust folds, heart neckline, and curved front bottom edges. From this video, you'll know how to sew Dakota Top View B with 1 pair of ties and waist drawstring. Step 1. Drawstring, tie closures, and bias strips prep. Prepare bias strips for Dakota, top raw edges finish. Length of bias strips you'll find in PDF with pattern description. And also prepare strips bias or straight for 2 tie closures, size 33x3 sim each. Drawstring size 200x3 centimeter. Step 2. Back casing attachment. Fold casing short edges 0.5 on wrong side twice and press. Fold casing long edges to central line and press. Place casing on back matching their centers. Pin and top stitch long edges. Press the casing. Step 3. Bust fold. Match and pin bust dart legs right sides together. Sew last 0.7 cm. Follow pattern marks. Place the fold open and fix it with stitches close to top line. Press the fold open. Step 4. Side and shoulder seams. Place back and front right sides together. Pin sit E and shoulder seams. Finish seams with serger, zigzag stitches, or binding strips, etc. Press the seams towards back. Step 5. Armholes finish. Fold and press bias strips longwise wrong side in. Cut strips of needed length for your size. Length of strips for armholes finish you'll find in PDF with pattern description. Sew short ends right sides together. Cut half of the seam. Cut the seam edges at 45 degrees and fold open. Place the strip on armhole right side. Spread evenly, pin and sew. Finish the seams. Fold armhole seam on wrong side and top stitch in 1-2 mm from the seam. Press finished armholes. Step 6. Tie closures. Fold in half the ties longwise and iron. Then fold edges to ironed line and press. Fold in half press ties longwise and press again. Top stitch each tie close to its open edge. Pin ties to tie closure 1 marks and Step 7. Edges finish. Finish Dakota, top raw edges with 1 folded bias, strip the same ways as armhole finishing. Length of all needed bias strips you'll find in PDF with pattern description. Step 8. Waist drawstring. Make a drawstring the same way as the tie closures. Pull the drawstring through the back casing. And that's it! Enjoy your Dakota top.
You can try to hide the sunlight. One is dead and one is plain. Make it sound like all is done right. You won't feel the shame. Make it seem like you're the one. We both know that's a lie. Wasting all the time I have here. Maybe I don't know the start.
Thank you for watching and choosing Milash Pattern.